Wow, Nathan is floating. And Tita Marilyn also is floating. Oo. Marunong na. Pero yung kamay niya na right, hindi niya ginagalaw. And the winner is Nathan. Oh, come here naman, anak. Nathan, come here naman. Come here. Ready? Go! Go, 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 Nathan. Go, 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 Nathan. Use your two hands. Use your two hands. Wow. Wow. Why? You're tired? You're tired? Are you tired? Anna, go, 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 Nathan. Go, 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 Nathan. Go, go, go.
I think I'll break.
What?
I want to go to day first.
You use your hand. Your right hand. You use your... Ala, naano na yung sa puwet niya yung ano tali. Nakapasok na sa puwet. Fix your vest first. Okay ba yung tubig hindi madumi?
Go to mommy. Go to mommy first.
Come on, mommy will fix your vest.
You look up here.
You seem like this, Nathan, no? I will go there, Nathan.
Oh, look at Tita Marilyn. Wow!
Oh, where is she? Oh no.
Oh, where is Tita Marilyn? It's under the water. Look! Tita Marilyn is under the water and then Tita Marilyn is sinking while Nathan is floating. Wow! What? You want to? No, you cannot breathe. You cannot breathe if you're sinking, if you're under the water. You need to float lang. This you're bata pa. Tita Marilyn is sinking while you're floating, no? Oh no!
Alam, babangga. Hindi ka marami ng ano, para fertilizer ko.
I-blow your nose lang. Wow! Tita Marilyn is sinking! Faster! 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 Tita Marilyn is under! Sink again! Tita Marilyn is sinking! You use your both hands, me love. Oh, you're floating and Tita Marilyn is sinking! Wow! Who wins? Tita Marilyn wins! Nathan lose! No! You lose. Tita Marilyn wins. You lose. Sink. Ah! Nagano siya. Don't drink water, ah. It's dirty. Wow.
Use your two hands, stand.
Yung isa na lang hindi ginagalaw. Nakasteady yung... Are you tired? Are you tired? No.
Just squeezing the water. Come on, we can go there.
Ayusin mo na. Naangat na yun. Ayusin mo yun.
Wait, there. Here.
Lalo pa.
See, sink the water.
In the water.
Oh, Tita Marilyn is sinking and you're floating. Kasi yan yung ano niya, yung pinanood niya kanina, sinking and floating. Sinking and floating. Kanina yun yung pinanood niya. Kaya, naano niya. You're not sinking, you're floating.
Oops.
Oops, oops, be careful.
I won. You won.
Wow. Wow, very good Nakakatawid-tawid na rin siya sa ano.
Ano pa yan doon?
Oh,
Pumunta yan doon.
ang galing naman. Ano talaga na, buti na lang na nabili ko yung vest na yan. Mura lang naman yan sa TikTok. Parang 200 plus lang yan, bili ko. Pero ang laki na ng improvement, no? Mula dati. Yung kay Nathan. Oo. Yan kasi okay. Okay talaga yan. Oh. Malaki. Kahit hindi na siya mag-enroll sa swimming lesson, matututo siya talaga pag ganyan. Kasi tingnan mo parang ilang sessions pa lang siya, kumbaga ilang baba pa lang siya, marunong na siya. Kasi hindi siya natatakot, yun yung maganda kay Nathan, no? Hindi siya natatakot. Parang lang siya. But be careful, my love. Be careful. Aha. Slowly lang be careful. Be careful.